Okay, here we go. So tell the boys and girls what you've got in there.
So telling the boys and girls what we've got is this wonderful guitar that we've got from England, from Anderton's Music, and getting the inner box out of the outer box is going to be the next trick. So this is the unboxing. And what's it got written on this box? It has got...
Way. See that one okay? That's what we want to see.
Fender. And it's got a big...
It does have a big hole.
Big ding there too.
But this...
cross fingers. I can feel a hard case in there and there's no damage to it. So this is the problem with bringing a guitar from the other side of the world. Okay, well it's nicely packed. It's got... Right. Okay, I'll give you these scissors. So, this comes in a hard case. I might have to tip it up the same way as I did the other one. Just getting them out is the problem. So,
wow.
Proper Fender hard case.
Good job, Kay.
Okay, you walk away. You go. No, you take that, grab that into the box, and you pull. Pull. That's it.
Good man.
Keep going.
Ooh.
Alright. So
right, mate. We'll chuck the box over here, pal, so we can lower the case down. Good job. Good job.
And bobs on it, whatever that. Fender musical instruments and the date. And it's got travel century. Okay, righto, hop off. Come around this side. You ready? Okay, here we go. Ready for the smell.
Ooh. Whoa.
Oh, look at that. Yep, nice. Hop off. Don't, no, just hop off. Look at that.
Right, here we go, Kay.
Yeah, don't touch.
So, oh, that is, it's etched in there, isn't it? I'll come around this side. So we'll zoom in and have a look.
Just
so,
touch it with your eyes.
Yeah,
don't
the Fender logo and Telecaster is etched in there. Or you can spell it. That's
yes, look at that. American Professional. Beautiful.
Right, you're going to pick it up then?
Right.
And at the end I'm going to say wow.
Okay.
And it's got the rosewood neck. Yeah. Fender Telecaster. And is that etched?
I think so.
It feels like it. Gorgeous. Yes, Kate. Okay, we'll show you what's next. And it's got a C-shaped, C-pattern neck. Oh. It's got a C-pattern neck.
That's the pickup selector.
Right. Look at that. It's already got,
Step back a bit.
I've already put fingerprints on it. That is beautiful.
Never mind.
And what's
About the fingerprints.
the number on the back of it? And the number is US 201001. So
that's going to be interesting to find out where that fits.
Well, to see if this is the one that
Danish
feet plate.
Yeah, and also where it would fit in the run.
In the sequence.
Well, if it's 001, it's certainly at a point.
K, just wait, mate. It's I'm wondering whether could even be the one that he played. Because I've got the number 201001. Righto, the case candy.
Oh, sorry.
So now we open this up and we take out, and there's the key, pass certificate, and that is just that's just a desiccant.
So it's all in here, I think.
It's all in there. Okay, righto, we'll let this down, and I'll put this back in lie this down. Beautiful. Okay, we'll see what our case candy is. Oh, yep, we don't need that though, Kay. No, don't. We've got the. Okay, so the Fender book, and it will come with a certificate of authenticity.
That guy right there.
That
There it
one
is.
there. And certificate of authenticity. Model number and US 201001 serial number. And it doesn't necessarily tell us
Where, yeah, what the run is, right?
how many in the run and what number this is relative to that run. I'll have to do some more homework. So this is just a standard book.
We've got some tools. That is
There's
a cover for your bridge.
Cover
Yep.
for the bridge. No, okay, no.
And you got
See with your
Allen
fingers.
keys, so you
Allen
can
key.
for your bridge and truss
for
rod.
the truss rod,
Yep.
and that one there is
That's
for
your bridge
the.
adjustment.
Is it the bridge adjustment,
Yep.
or they also have the micro
right.
adjustment?
Right. Okay.
Look at that tooth to here.
Yes.
Is that a set of? That's giving you a set of
A set of
strings.
strings.
That's nice.
Size number 9.
So it's not very good videoing. I'm trying not to look through my screen while I'm
No.
recording it. So I can
Beautiful.
actually see the thing. Yeah.
I'm wrapped. Okay, you can.
It is, mate. It is.
Wow.
So
Is that pretty impressive?
now what I'll do
Yeah.
is
It's amazing.
I'll just close the lid for a second because
What about locking it?
no, I don't want to lock it. What I want to do is not lock it.
Do you want to just tell the internet how happy you are?
I'm overjoyed.